Where are you?
I'm at Plymouth Rock.
Doing what?
Looking at the rock. Join us on a cruise to Plymouth. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Girl just waved at you on her bicycle.
Never really did an intro. We're prepping to go to Plymouth for the day. Excited about it.
Tell them the truth now.
Alright, okay. The truth is I left my backpack at home, which had my registration and my wallet in it. And so we were halfway there and we had to turn around.
Alright, let's go.
But now I have a new rule and I always carry my wallet on me. So even if I forget my backpack, I have it on me. That's the truth. I was like, oh, I'll film a recap. I'll film a intro while we're here. No, we already started. We already went halfway there.
We've been riding for 2 hours.
Yeah, okay. See you in Plymouth. double parked. Honestly, first time doing it. This is my first time double parking.
Good.
Yeah, a lot of bikes on the road today. I gotta say, if I wasn't cruising, I'd be jealous.
When the f does this stop? Oh, motherfucker.
Oh my god.
I can't tell what's up. So 5:42, we gotta be back here. We got 3 hours.
Okay, perfect. I kind of do want a beer now. I know we
I'm definitely gonna rip a fucking beer. I might rip a fucking...
got a bit of a yard sale. My stuff's right here. Yours is like on the wall over there. What are we doing?
I'm hot. My bike plugs are fouling. My pipes are blue as shit.
What's
Look how
going
fucking
on?
blue they are.
I know. I did think that they changed.
They're so blue. I gotta get that. My intermittent jet is wrong in here. So to get it to run, not when accelerating, I have to run with the enricher on, which is not good. It's eating gas, and then that's fucked. My plugs are probably gonna foul.
It was stalling a lot.
Yeah, on the way in when it was hot and we were sitting in traffic.
Pretty weird.
It's not good.
All right, let's get a pumpkin beer.
Janet says to me,
How long did it take you guys?
is that a GoPro on a helmet? I said, yes it is.
So we got halfway
That's
here, we
pretty
pulled
cool.
over to get gas. Thinking about selling them.
Pursuing a music career.
Oh,
I said she's like a little Laurie McKinnon. She's playing at the Margaret.
Bum bum.
6 to 9. Right across
Yeah,
the street.
baby.
Yeah.
Heavy shag, baby.
Oh, that was, she went out to... She said some crazy shit.
she can't drink anymore? No way.
I think she's more into alternative rock.
Yeah, that's all you.
I don't really like tobacco.
I'm gonna-
Take it.
Wait.
I don't want french fries.
Missy, wait.
Oh my god. I can't believe you said that. Thank you, honey.
We got to meet my parents and some friends for a beer. Justin and I split a pumpkin beer, and now we're gonna go grab a veggie burger. Cool. Doesn't look like your pipes.
A bit. Mine is. Oh, yeah,
No, the
yeah,
color.
they run rich. Well, those vintage bikes, yeah.
Look at our shadows. This is turning out to be a romantic walk.
Drake Town.
Where?
And then everything's toilet water a little bit.
Everything looks good this time of day.
Even me.
What do you mean? Always you. Oh, Harley.
Yeah.
This is where we should have parked. The Mayflower too.
We just came from the Titanic. Can you see it?
It survived. We always knew. Is Leonardo DiCaprio in there?
Yes. Still chained to that shit pipe.
Plymouth Rock's in there. If you grew up anywhere around here, you came here for a field trip probably every year.
This is a lie, because I never did.
Are you serious?
Yeah, never once.
Okay. I did a lot. And my sister did, and everyone else I know
Except for me.
definitely did. We came here a lot. I'll show you. It's kind of funny. The size, the scale. Ready? Looks like people are throwing money down there.
Check a GoPro. It's worth at least 50 cents.
Oh, look at the camera.
Huh? Yeah. Keep it in your pants. Where are you?
I'm at Plymouth Rock,
Doing what?
looking at the rock. Look at it.
Is it bigger or smaller than you imagined?
It's honestly bigger than I remembered, because I remember the first time seeing it, like being like, what?
From those field trips that you went to every day?
Yes.
You just had school right here. Where did you sit?
What do you mean?
Where did you sit in relation to the rock when you were here all the time?
On it. They used to let you sit right on it.
How many kids sat on that rock?
My whole class.
And where was the teacher?
Up there.
Oh, okay. That makes so much sense.
No.
You want to roll down this hill?
We're still, yeah, go
Just
for
like
it.
kid ripping a wedgie out like wrist deep.
We're still en route to get a veggie burger. I'm really hungry. We got 0.3 miles.
Wow. We should have rolled down here.
I know. In case you didn't know or forgot or weren't paying attention in school, Plymouth is where the Pilgrims first landed. That was Pilgrim Park we were just walking through.
Well, there you go.
Pilgrim Memorial Park. Wow. This is so pretty. I'm not getting a veggie burger. We're at a Mexican restaurant. The place that we wanted to go is like, well, I guess you can't see it, but it's closed. So we're here and I'm excited about it. Actually, we originally wanted to go to a Mexican restaurant, remember? And that was closed.
We always want to go to a Mexican restaurant because that's all we eat. But coffee at 6.
Yeah, copy. Because I'm my nana. Wow. Watch your step. Watch your step, wise guy. So what's been your favorite part of the day?
I guess the third time we attempted to come here.
I just had a burrito. I was looking for a veggie burger, but I got a burrito. And now we're back on this main strip.
Do you want to cross here or go down that way?
Yeah, let's cross here. So many bikes.
Unless you want to get ice cream.
No, I'm full now. So yeah, we're back on the main strip by the water.
I guess we could have gone up there. That would have been a cool view all the way up there.
Yeah.
We could have just gone up that way.
My guy is super concerned about getting a ticket.
Yeah, well, we get 2 tickets. We get 2 bikes in one spot.
I wonder if we would get 2 tickets.
Holy shit, it's like sherbet ice cream. You want to get ice cream? How many times do I have to ask for ice cream? I don't even want ice cream. Well, it's like...
We made it back to the bikes and we don't have any parking. We made it back to the bikes and we lucked out. We have no parking tickets. That's a win. It's getting to be sunset, which is like really nice. Hopefully we'll get some sunset views on our cruise home and we'll probably be riding a little bit into the darkness. lit via Sportster headlight. We're home from Plymouth. My GoPro's still on my helmet. Oh, this looks like a horror movie.
Yeah, that's our life. It's a little nightmare.
We're home from Plymouth. That's the longest I've ridden in the dark, and it was pretty sketchy. My headlight is shit. I want Justin's headlight. Like, it's a Harley headlight. Is that weird if I put a Harley headlight on my bike? I might do it. Yeah, so we're home from Plymouth. Good night.